Hi, this is a customer of Amazon's. Just received my shipment of BT0760 BA, and it's ×2 and ×2. So I go through quite a bit of these cartridges every month. So I decided to buy 4 at a time, and I'm going to open it up, see what's inside of it. It's the first time I'm using only you. So it's all very nicely packaged and everything. There's the Only You logo. There's a TW060. There's lots of bubble wrap in there. It's pretty good. It's packaged pretty well. I'm gonna open it up now and I'll show you how it's looking inside. Not too bad. Cartridges come in 2 cartridges inside the box at one time. So I've got 4 of these suckers. A really good price on Amazon. Take care. Bye.